How to fix the avatar glitch in Roblox. So instead of using the Roblox application, what you need to do is open any browsing application that you have and then go to roblox.com. So before you see this page, you will need to sign in or log in to your account. After logging in, you will see this page and then just tap on Continue in Browser. Then tap on the three horizontal lines which you can find on the upper left corner of your screen. Then select Avatar. So to have access, just tap on the three horizontal lines located on the lower right corner and then enable the desktop mode. So by enabling the desktop mode, you will be directed to this page, which is the avatar editor. So just tap on redraw. So this should solve your problem. And so that is how you fix the avatar glitch in Roblox. Thank you and have a great day.